Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change the language setting in Brain Out game. To change the language setting in Brain Out, you'll need to go ahead and open the Brain Out application on your smartphone first. And then once you end up in the home page, tap the home icon at the top left corner. Now, click on the gear icon at the top left and this will take you to this section. Click on English at the top right corner, or you may also have any other language displayed at the top right. Now, from the multitudes of languages available, choose the one of your preference. After you do that, your language setting will immediately change. You can repeat this step and choose any other language of your preference whenever you want. So that's how you easily change the language setting in Brain Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.